Vericut 9.6 introduces two transformative AI-driven features designed to make interaction with the software more intuitive and productive. Vericut Assistant, or VA, is a powerful in-software assistant that helps users with practical applications and usage of Vericut's extensive feature set. It provides step-by-step guidance on how to use various tools and settings, delivering instant answers to "how do I" questions directly within the software interface. VA acts as an in-software expert, making it easier than ever for machinists and programmers to unlock the full potential of Vericut. Vericut Intelligence, or VI, is available online and is an AI-powered companion, offering deep insights across the entire Vericut suite, including Vericut, Composites, Optimizer, and more. Users can ask broad questions like, "What is force?" or explore specific topics such as, "What is X caliper?" VI is accessible to anyone, anytime, from anywhere, serving as a comprehensive intelligent guide to everything Vericut has to offer. For more information on VA and VI, see the Vericut help.